has been very succinctly captured in our text as Sat-Chit-Ananda. That's the totality of our existence.
Right.
Okay. It's very wrongly translated into English as existence, consciousness, and bliss. Existent consciousness is fine, but the word bliss is a very misnomer on that. The way we always think of this word, these three words together, is in a very horizontal way, Sat-Chit-Ananda. But to my understanding, it's better we look at it from a vertical way.
Okay.
So Ananda giving birth to Chit, and Chit giving birth to Sat.
Okay.
Okay. So Ananda is the word for your vibration. Ananda is the substratum, the basis on which that vibration is happening.
Okay.
That itself is not vibrating, but it is the basis on which that vibration happens, right? Like, yeah, I can give some instruments, music instruments example, but which is not perfect, but you can think of a musical instrument which helps the other strings to vibrate, but itself stays the same, like a guitar, right? The guitar bass would, the wooden piece would remain
calm.
Although it vibrates, I'm just discounting that fact, but your strings are vibrating and creating the sound, right? Same way, your Ananda is giving is the substratum on which that vibration is happening, okay? And based on that vibration, the first subtle creation is consciousness, okay? And consciousness is in turn getting more and more gross over a period of time, and it is then becoming Sat, existence, okay, material manifestation. That's how this universe is getting created. Inside that, you have the universal consciousness under Chit, okay, that gives birth, this is as per Shangho, to individual consciousness. And from there you have Buddhi, intelligence, and from there ego,
Ahamkara.
Ahamkara gives birth to this Tri Guna,
okay,
Tamas, Rajas, and Sattva. Okay. And this Tri Guna is actually creating, is again a string, because I'll come to that, but Guna, the word Guna means a string in Sanskrit. Okay, it's a straight translation. It's nothing like I'm saying it. I wonder why it was overlooked for so many years. But Gunas means string. And this string or Guna is made of Paramanu. If you correlate that, in string theory physics, the final ultimate thing, or the undivisible part is a vibrating string which looks like a rubber band. Okay, a rubber band, if it is vibrating, that's inside everything that is there. That's why we say Guna, everything is endowed with a Guna. It translates to an attribute, it translates to a merit and all those other words, but at the base of it is that vibrational string. Okay, that gives rise to your Paramanu. Okay, Gunas creates Paramanu, and that is, if you equate that, that becomes the quarks and the leptons and the gluons, and then that again recombines to create the protons and electrons, and from that is basically Anu. Okay.
Anu.
Okay. Anus creates Divyanu or molecules. Multiple Anus come together to create this molecule. And these molecules then go ahead and create these elements or bhutas or Pancha Bhuta that we have. Okay. And then the direction of this is consciousness getting is also another type of, it's an energy. At the end of the day, everything is an energy. And this energy is being consciousness getting transformed into matter, gross matter. Gross matter over a period of time goes back to the original state of consciousness. That's the cycle of creation. If you think about it, the universe age is 13.8 billion years. The age of Earth is around 4.5 billion years, right? In this small time span, while we have a 3.11 trillion years of a universal time, as per our thing, within just so 13.8 billion years is only a fraction of the total time this universe is going to exist. Okay, we have nature has already transformed a lot of matter into consciousness.
Correct.
That is why you and I are talking in a conscious way, right? There is consciousness in plants, there is consciousness in animals, there is everything. It is slow, progressively transforming matter into consciousness. So there will be a stage, say many billion years ahead, when there will be a total consciousness. And that's the journey that this universe makes. So from consciousness to matter, then back to matter. So that whenever matter and consciousness, it is kind of separated, right? But this, over a period of time, that separation, that is the direction of this creation. So it comes back to its original state.